Annapolis Royal is an incredibly vibrant community.
It's like a big city. It's cosmopolitan, but in a small, tiny setting.
My favorite town in the whole valley, and actually Nova Scotia.
There is something really magical about this town.
Fort Anne is one of the most significant places in Canada, has a national story to tell, but also I see it as a center of cultural and historic activities and family activities in our town. People use this for Canada Day, Natal Day, special celebrations. It's really a gathering point and a green space we're lucky to have.
We have an incredible farmers market that many of the locals do their weekly shopping at.
The farmers market in Annapolis Royal is the hub. It's all about community. We're a certified organic vegetable farm and we want to make sure we're feeding a local community. It's a privilege to be able to do that.
One of the highlights of our Saturdays is going to the farmers market. Our girls love going. Turns out that by moving to Annapolis Royal, we live rurally, but they're still very exposed to the arts. There's all kinds of music they can take part in, activities and things like that, while still being able to be pretty wild and free.
I am a history teacher, so I love history, and there's a lot of history in this small community. Class sizes are small, so your kids are getting more one-on-one attention than they'll have in the bigger schools. Our school owns property along a beautiful river that we get to spend time and do in outdoor classrooms. And there's an amazing amount of recreational sports. You know, there's a space program at our school now. As far as technology goes, some of the top in the province.
This year we sent up a 3D printed version of our town crier, Peter Crofton Davies. We have the marsh, we have the Annapolis River, so many different ecosystems and habitats that they're using as education for kids.
Most people think about Annapolis Royal as a tourism town, but it's also a working community.
One of the beauties of living and working here in Annapolis Royal is precisely that, living and working, able to have that life-work balance. Here within the collaborative practice, my colleagues cross-cover me and vice versa, which allows me the time and opportunity to do the other things, the volunteering within the community, the being involved with other activities, the being on the stage.
It's a small place and each person really adds a lot to the variety and the character of this town.
We have everything here, culture, arts, history.
There's something about the place that just draws people here.
It's such a wonderfully supportive, welcoming community. You will belong here.